Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. I've been gleaning a friend's orchard, it's an orange orchard, of citrus fruits of um, lemons and oranges and tangerines for a Christmas uh, holiday food box drive. So instead of buying it, my friend let me go into his orchard and I could pick all I want on citrus. Now, main thing is this is for Steve, of Corsair's trainer. We got to help Steve because he's going to try to garden. Please contain your laughter. Okay, Steve, I hope you got a shovel, pointy end and a flat end. You need a Gaboni hoe or a Maddox. Maddox is like a pick, except one end is an axe because you got a lot of roots you got to chop out through. Third big thing is you got to get a roller tiller to save your back unless you want to be swinging that Maddox till doomsday, which pretty soon, but it'll save your back and it's a lot easier to go through the beds. And a lot of your trees need to be pulled out. Okay, first thing, somebody get Steve this. All right. Now, don't have room on my desk. Got so much paperwork and stuff. Second thing, somebody get Steve this book, Extreme Simplicity. And you can talk to these guys. They live in LA. They have a website. Okay. Third book I recommend for Steve. Because he needs all the help he can. All right? Even this winter, it's mild winter in LA, you got a boatload of work to do. You have to rip out everything. Try to order steer manure in bulk form to reseed the beds. You have to roller till it probably twice to get it fluffed up right to grow vegetables this summer. And now here's some of the channels you might like to watch. Learning Organic Gardening at Grow Your Own Greens. Very popular channel, and he's from out Las Vegas. Rare Seeds will tell you what kind of vegetables you could plant in your area. Happy Farm, young lady from and family from Happy Farm from Louisiana. Chicken Johnny. Give me a shout out, Chicken Johnny. He knows his dirt like I do. Your dirt has to be between 7 and 8 pH. If it's past that, it's Homer Simpson crap. Okay? And then watch Martha at Old School Prepper. So I hope this helps you out. You got a lot of digging to do in the next 3 months before you can plant anything. Catch you later, folks.